Hi guys, welcome back to the Scrap Zone and welcome back to my 52-week project. We are starting the month of August and I am going to use this stamp set right here. I really do like the way that they've got August in different sizes. This Making Memories is definitely going to be good for any type of layout. Picture perfect, same thing here. And if you've watched my last video, I actually used some of these sentiment in my month of July only because they matched what I was doing that week. So with that, you can totally mix those up. So let's take a look here in my 52-week project. So we are gone and we have done already 7 months. And we are starting the month of August. So very much like a few of the previous months, we have 5 weeks here. So it all depends when you take your pictures. If you take them in these last 3 days, which is the 29th to the 30th, you're going to have 5 weeks in August. And if not, you're going to have your 5th week here in September. So we're going to see how that's all going to play out. So let's go quickly throughout the book here, and you can see that I've got tons of sketches that I've created for this project right here, and they are all different. I wasn't sure if I was able to do that, but they are absolutely all different. So let's look at the sketches for the month of August. And I did bring in a few flowers, but those are just to help you with some of the placement for the embellishments. And you'll see these little squiggly lines here, and those are just like, again, to kind of help you plan out your pages and add your journaling, because we've been journaling. I know I have. So let's take a look at what I've pulled out for the month of August. This was a beautiful paper collection that we had last summer, and I really love sunflowers. Surprise, surprise. So I'm hoping that I can use this paper for my next 4 weeks. So it's I don't have a lot, as you can see. I've got a few stickers here left from my sticker sheet, but there's some good words here. So I'm hoping that I can make this work for the month of August, and I'm really hoping that my sunflowers are going to come out in the month of August as well. I've got a few in the backyard, but they haven't been growing too well. So anyways, let's get started for the month of August, and this is the stamp set that I will be using, and I did bring some of these older stamp sets right here. We've got this keyboard alphabet that I use to mark off all of the weeks. I've got Strokes of an Artist that I used to do background work, and this one here too, the Script or the Romantic background. These are all retired stamp sets, but I'm sure you have something similar in your stash. So hopefully we're going to do really pretty pages with this stamp set and these scraps, and I can't wait to see how they're going to turn out. So I'll catch you in the next video, and I'm going to start working on week number 1 for August, which is week 31 in our 52-week project. Don't forget to take pictures, look at your scraps, and I will catch you in the next video. If you'd like to see the entire project, click on this link right here. Have yourself a fantastic day.